The internet has revolutionized the way we work and earn a living. It's now easier than ever to start a business from the comfort of your own home. Online businesses offer flexibility and the potential for global reach. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, the online world is full of opportunities. In the past, starting a business often required significant upfront investment and a lot of overhead. Today, you can launch a successful online business with minimal costs. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a good idea. Freelancing is a great way to start making money online almost immediately. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect businesses with skilled individuals for a wide range of tasks. Are you a talented writer? Offer your services as a freelance content writer or copywriter. If you're a graphic designer, businesses are always looking for help with logos, website design, and marketing materials. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr act as marketplaces where you can create a profile showcasing your skills and experience. Clients can then browse these profiles and hire you for specific projects. You can set your rates, negotiate contracts, and build a portfolio of work that demonstrates your abilities. Freelancing gives you control over your schedule and allows you to work from anywhere with an internet connection. To succeed as a freelancer, it's essential to deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and build strong relationships with your clients. Positive reviews and testimonials will help you attract more clients and grow your freelance business over time. Have you always dreamed of running your own store? E-commerce makes it possible to sell products online without the need for a physical storefront. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up and manage your online store. You can choose from a wide range of customizable templates, list your products, and start selling to customers worldwide. One popular e-commerce model is dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't have to handle inventory or shipping. You partner with a supplier who stores and ships products directly to your customers. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. Another option is to sell your own unique products such as handmade crafts, artwork, or digital downloads. The key to success in e-commerce is to identify a profitable niche, source high-quality products, and create a compelling brand that resonates with your target audience. Blogging and vlogging, sharing your passion for profit. If you're passionate about a particular topic, why not share your knowledge and enthusiasm with the world through blogging or vlogging? Creating valuable content that informs, entertains, or inspires others can be a rewarding way to earn money online. Start by choosing a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that has the potential to attract a sizable audience. This could be anything from travel and cooking to technology or personal finance. Once you've established your niche, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your readers or viewers. As your audience grows, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through various methods, such as advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Consistency and engagement are key in the world of blogging and vlogging. Regularly publishing new content and interacting with your audience will help you build a loyal following and attract new readers or viewers. Online courses, knowledge is power and income. Are you an expert in a particular field? Sharing your knowledge through online courses is a lucrative way to generate income while helping others learn valuable skills. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to create and sell online courses on a wide range of topics. Think about your skills and experience. What subjects could you teach others? Perhaps you're proficient in a programming language, a skilled photographer, or a financial whiz. Structure your course in a clear and engaging way, using a combination of video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable resources. Promote your online course through social media, your website, or by collaborating with other educators in your niche. Providing valuable content and delivering an exceptional learning experience will lead to positive reviews and attract more students to your online courses. Affiliate marketing, earning through recommendations. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. Essentially, you become an affiliate for a company and promote their products through your website, blog, social media, or email list. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Focus on providing valuable content to your audience and recommend products or services that would genuinely benefit them. Transparency is crucial in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience and be honest in your recommendations. Conclusion. Taking the leap to online success. The world of online business offers endless possibilities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're drawn to the flexibility of freelancing, the creative potential of e-commerce, or the reach of blogging and vlogging, there's an online business model out there for you. Take some time to explore your interests, skills, and passions. Research different online business ideas and choose one that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Remember, success in online business, like any business, requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right mindset and a solid plan, you can turn your online business dreams into a reality.